Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how you can enable HD downloads in the Vimeo app on your mobile device. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy videos in higher quality even when offline. First, open the Vimeo app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon at top right. Next, look for the Settings menu and tap on Data Usage. Then, find the option labeled Allow HD Downloads. Toggle this setting on to enable downloading videos in high definition. Once this is turned on, any video you download from Vimeo will automatically be saved in the best available quality. This is particularly useful for users who want a better viewing experience or plan to watch videos offline without compromising on clarity. Finally, make sure your device has enough storage space for HD videos, as higher quality files take up more room. After enabling this feature, you are all set to enjoy crisp, high-definition videos, anytime, anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.